This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to hyperlink text on Google Docs. So you want to add a link on Google Docs. How do you do it? I'm right here on Google Docs with an untitled document. What I've done is I've just copy and pasted in some random text from online just for this demo video. Now, let's say you wanted to add a link directly in here. Let's say you wanted to add a link to technical photography. So you will highlight the word or phrase you want to add the link to. So we've highlighted there, and you can see right here on the main toolbar, you have this kind of paperclip icon that says insert link. When you hover over it, you will click on that, and just like that, you will be able to add your link in here. What you can do is you can actually link to Google Sheets or Google Docs that you already have open on your account right here, or you could just do a completely different link. If I wanted to link to one of my sites, Film Lifestyle, I can literally just type out filmlifestyle.com, put the little slash at the end, and then we can click apply, and just like that, the link will be added. You can see when I hover over it, this is actually linking out to the site. When I click it, it goes to my site, Filmmaking Lifestyle. So that is how to add a link. You can link to other documents within your Google Docs or within your Google Sheets, as I showed you. You can also add your own raw HTML URLs right here. Another thing as well, let's just highlight this word here, just to show you if for some reason you don't have this toolbar right here with insert link. You should do by default, but if you don't, you can click on insert right here, and then you will look for a link right there, and you can see there's actually a keyboard shortcut. I'm on a Mac, so the keyboard shortcut's there if that's helpful for you, but if you can't find a link on the toolbar, you can find a link there, and in the same way you can add your link right here. Again, you can link out to any existing documents on your Google Drive, so there's Sheets and Google Docs, or you can create your own custom link URL right there. Hopefully you found this video on how to add a hyperlink on Google Docs useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.